Hey, greetings to all. So I leave you with new videos of market OTC, guys. This topic is interesting because many have asked in the live broadcast what is functions harmonic patterns have. Perhaps some do not know what they are. But the idea of this video is that to clarify in a simple way whatever harmonic pattern and how it could help me to obtain accurate answers with high probability of winning. Well, before starting the harmonic pattern, guys, they are generally charged parallelly. When I talk about the charges pattern, I'm talking about it are like figures that are formats. Be they shooter, head shooter, same triangle, bullish wad, haunted top, and so on. But this harmonic pattern have clear characteristics. There are 5 waves patterns. In the previous video I had explained about the yellow waves works, but clearly those patterns are linked to the Fibonacci. And while we have tools like AutoSend that will help me or help us mark this pattern based on the fact that you can mark the pattern with the 2, and there's is telling me what probability it has. So the inclination of the line is considered with a Fibonacci level, guys, which is what is interesting, right? But before I go ahead with that, let's start with zigzag can help me define this. Okay, in harmonic there are several types we're going to mark. Well, we are only going to name several, and when I'm only going to show one. Only the idea is that to understand, because really if I'm going to explain how an harmonic patterns works, I must dedicate a very long video on these topics and are not so simple. Generally, harmonic should have a high power of analysis and second, handle Fibonacci in efficient way, in a way that matches. Generally, guys, this harmonic can have more strength and high probability. Maybe in 5 or 10 minutes, because this structure is a candlestick formation. And well, the types of harmonic, that is, there are many. We are only going to the name 4, and there are crab, bat, butterfly, and Carly. I'm going to focus on the ones, and they are generally very similar. It would be good for there are more videos that are about explaining how this pattern works based on this one.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
In trade view, I'm going to show an example about the pattern or back and how it is plotted in the trading view. Here you can input in the options harmonic 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. Go down here to mark this ACD pattern in 5 waves. All right. So the point is starting. The wave A goes up, the wave C should be exceeded of the D, must be very low, it is more or less of the bat or a beacon partner. That's only for speed making. That is, I'm going to focus on the numbers that appears, but these numbers deceive for the partners to be effective like this one from in view and well. Put this to coincidence precisely with those values that I want is going to be tedious, but it is only for an explanation. I'm not doing a precise technical analysis right now, only for an explanation. Okay. So, what is the X wave every harmonic on this one? 382 or 050. That's is the oscillation range. All right, 1.6, 266, 261. That is the same. Okay, that's our Fibonacci levels. It exceeds 5, then no, that is nothing to do with, right? that is look like the current figure, it doesn't. So what is this? That's 161. Feeble clear has to be because here are the clear trends. Why do the others have range and the others don't, guys? 135, 29, 50, 52. Okay. So right here, because the bats is similar, but what has changed is the same figure, but the figures is like this. And where do it going in? When you change that, well, here is the upside would be movements. Do you see the difference?
Hey, wait a minute. How about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Alright, so this is the crab partner. And that's the bat partner. Wow. That's how simple those partners are. Well, later on the folks are making videos complete explain those specific partner. So that is good. That's like only Fury. Okay. Here we go back to the platform. You can see that right here. So based on the Fibonacci level, guys, but well, later we will talk about details. That well, I hope you like this video, guys. See you in the live broadcast on the channel. See you in the upcoming videos and have a good day. See you. Bye bye.